If you're working on a Google Documents with others, then you don't need to rely on a third-party service to communicate with, because you can now use the Google built-in chat system in their documents. And in this video I will show you how you can use this Google Doc chat system. You can also use this feature in other Google products including the Google Sheets, Google Slides and all other this kind of service. So don't let further and check out today's video. So first of all, you need to open your Google Docs. Here you can see I'm inside my Google Docs, and from here I can just create a new documents, or I can just open any documents that I shared with any other people. Here you can see in this document I have two editors, so I'll use this to show this process. So I just open these documents here. So here now you can see there is no other editor working on this, but when someone you will log into these documents, there will be icon show up. So I am using my another browser to access with my another editor in this same documents. So now you can see there are two editor online in this same documents. You can see one is the Travel Squad and another one is me myself. So we can see all the editor by clicking here which editor is online or not, and we can see all other thing. To use the editor chat in Google Docs, we need to click here on this icon. You can see this button calling show chat. Here if I click here, we will get a pop-up box, and in this box we can just send any text message and we can communicate between the online editors on the documents. Here you can see we have two editor right now in this document. So if I send any message from here, so when I send some message right from here, you can see the same message on the other side. If I show you right now, so when I come here I can show you side by side. This is the another editor and here is the another editor. So when I send some message right from here, I can get this right here. So if I send something from here, you can see the chat is coming here in real time. So this is the process how you can use this user chat in Google Docs or Google Slide or any other system. The same process here also in the Google Docs and also in the Google Slides. Every process is the same. So by clicking here, you can just use this chat system and communicate between the editors while you are working on the same project or maybe writing some articles on the same time. So I hope you guys like the video, and if you learned something new, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you have any problem, please let me know in the comment section.